Here's how to make your first $100 on YouTube the easy way. Head over to youtube.com and click on the sign in button. Now enter your email address and click next, or create a Gmail account if you don't have one already. The best part about this method is you can make your first $100 without ever showing your face on YouTube. Can you imagine that? Go to YouTube and search for a highly targeted keyword like how to lose weight fast. After searching, click on the filters button and scroll to find Creative Commons. Now click on Creative Commons and you'll find a ton of videos that you can use for free on your YouTube marketing. Have you found a video that you can use on YouTube? Go ahead and download it. Now go to the ClickBank website and find products that you can promote on YouTube. Now this is the easy part. Upload that video that you downloaded on YouTube together with your affiliate link on your new YouTube channel. Be sure to promote your YouTube channel if you want faster results. Did you like this video? Go ahead and click on that plus sign, like, comment and share. Until next time, bye bye.